Mr. President, at a hastily called and convened press conference 2 days ago, after a proper shellacking from our first woman finance minister the previous day, Senator Crawford and the PNP vastly walked back the pie-in-the-sky promises they were making previously. First of all, Mr. President, in what they are now presenting, the much talked about establishment of boarding facilities for 30% of our students has suddenly gone through the window. No more talk of that. Yet, in his What Can Go So speech at party conference in September of 2024, he spoke about that. There is yet another glaring example. This is yet another glaring example, Mr. President, that the PNP cannot be trusted. Secondly, on the matter of providing meals to our students, Senator Crawford spoke to and presented costing for something entirely different from what he and the PNP have been saying for several months prior on the political platform.